Hi everyone, back with another video from Safe and Sound Your Car Limited. What we have today for you guys is a cruise control installation on this 2016 Ford Galaxy. This customer is actually an Uber driver, so we've installed this for him. So let's get straight into it. So cruise control stalk, aftermarket install, which you can get over at safeandsoundyourcar.com. What you want to do is push it forward. That will get you green light. Typical operation is driving along and you've reached the speed you want to get to. You just tap it in the up position. Once you've reached that speed over 30 miles an hour, then that green light will turn orange. Once that's turned orange, it will hold your speed. Then you can fluctuate up and down between the speeds. You do have some memory settings on the end, which we can go through on the installation, but yeah, let's go into it. So this is being recorded for me, by the way. So we're gonna get up to speed. Just want to show you guys what it looks like once you get up to speed. So once you're up to speed, if you tap the button there, it will hold your speed. That's our feet off the pedals. Once you press the brake, what it will do is turn it back to green. And our assistant is doing so well at recording this while we're driving. Again, that will hold the speed. That's us there traveling at, you can get the speed for us, just under 30 miles an hour, and it's orange. And you can increase, and it's just gone up slightly. We're just going to tap the brake there and that turns it off. Once you turn the engine off, it will turn itself off, or you can just push it forward and that will turn it off as well. Fantastic. safeandsoundyourcar.com. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, share. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.